Hey guys, we're back with Market in a Mom Minute. So what happened last week? Last week we saw the U.S. equity market sell off around growing concerns that the U.S. economy is headed for a recession. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve actually raised its federal funds rate by 75 basis points or 3/4 of a percentage point. This was the largest hike in 28 years, so a big deal. If you want more info on what the Fed funds rate actually is, check out my girl Carissa's Instagram video from last Friday on our feed.
And equity markets are actually trending higher this morning as all major indices are in the green. And while this week is shortened, as yesterday the markets were closed in the U.S. to recognize the Juneteenth holiday celebrated over the weekend, it is jam-packed. Jerome Powell is actually going to be presenting before Congress on all things monetary policy. And if that's not enough, all eyes will be on key economic data around housing starts as well as consumer sentiment.
And then two companies we're keeping an eye on that are household names. The first is Kellogg. Really interesting. It announced that it's going to be splitting into 3 independent companies. Sometimes the sum of the parts is greater than the whole, as each of these business lines has significant potential. So we'll see what happens there. And then not so good news. Revlon announced last week that it'll be filing for bankruptcy around continued supply chain concerns and weak sales.
And one fact we'd love to share with you guys, as noted in the Morning Brew, someone paid a whopping $19 million to have the last charity lunch auctioned off by Warren Buffett. This actually topped what was paid by crypto mogul Justin Sun in 2019 by 4 times.
And the Glide Foundation, which is the nonprofit that Buffett partners with for this, reported that over the years, this annual meal has raised over $53 million in total. Just incredible.
That's huge. And it looks like his watch has not ended, as HBO is in talks with Kit Harington for a Game of Thrones sequel focused on our main man, Jon Snow, and we are here for it.
For more market news, follow along on our Instagram @BenjaminTalks, and make sure to check out the BT Gazette that hits your inbox on Friday. Bye, guys.